The new face of cabinet does not meet any demand, not of the Gen Zs, not obeying even the two-third gender rule as enshrined in the Constitution, as envisaged in the Constitution. It goes against the tenets of the apex of the law, clearly, and I told you, even persons with disabilities are not considered. The only disability that President has considered is mental disabilities that he has decided to nominate in the cabinet. We want other persons with disabilities to be considered within the cabinet.
Mheshimiwa Daktari, if President Ruto sends graciously to give you the remaining question, Kenyans and you, are you going to?
I cannot accept any position from President Ruto. No, thank you. And that is a fruit from a poisoned tree. The fruit is poisonous and harmful and dangerous.
In terms of oversight, you have put a spirit in fight to take over the park chair. Now the park chair is the Treasury seat to become whatever the Parliament approves. So are you so keen to take over specifically that position for oversight?
Going by the doctrine of separation of powers, checks and balances as was opined by Charles Louis, the seconded, de Montesquieu, de Baron, that our work is to provide oversight roles. I wanted to be the park chairman then. Now I'm overqualified to be a park chairman. And I say no, thank you. I'm clearly saying that that is not the interest of the people. It is not what the people wanted. These people were never seen anywhere, not even protecting the interest of the Gen Zs. Why should they rush to take these positions? Let Ruto, as a person, appoint his people. This is his government. We want competent people. We don't want him to invade opposition. But the work of opposition is to provide checks and balances, is to ensure that the government delivers that which they promised unto the people. Please, please, please pump me with more questions and sufficiently answered. Thank you very much and God bless you all.